Good morning, children. Today I have discussed about the development. So, what is development? We have understood in the previous class. I told you to fill some of the columns which are given in the textbook. So, the third column is farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. Okay? I think you might have filled all those things. So, what you have written, just you can check a farmer who depends upon rain, then what is the development goal for him? He will like to get irrigation facility for his field so that he can grow when there is no rain. समझ गए? अगर वर्षा नहीं भी है तब भी वो चाहेगा कि सिंचाई की सुविधा मिले ताकि वो फसलों को उपजा सके. तो इस तरह से तुम लोगों ने भर लिया होगा सारे पॉइंट्स को. ऑल पॉइंट्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट and you have to fill it very carefully in the copy. Next, coming to the another point, what we have discussed that the different people have different goal. So, different people have different development goal, and there may be clash in the, you can say there may be clash in the goals of different people. Suppose a rich farmer is asking for cheap labor, whereas a laborer, he is asking for more money. So there is a clash. Or one person who want to put industry, then the people who are living in that area, they will not interested for that industry because industry is the cause for the pollution in that area. So it is easily understood by you that the different people have different development goals, but we have to discuss some other goals. So you come to the page number 3, and in page number 3 of economics textbook you will find there are different goals for the people. The first is the income and other goals. Okay? लोग अपनी आमदनी बढ़ाना चाहते हैं. So that is the goal for the different people. Income, what do you mean by income? The person who is working, he will get certain income. That income is very important for him. And if he will get more income, he will get a better standard of living. So income, it is very, very important. Besides seeking more income, one way or other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. So it is very important. Income, it is one of the important goal for the people, but equal treatment, it is also very, very important. Security, freedom, it is also very important. तो ये समझना है कि लोग अपनी आय को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन आय बढ़ने के साथ साथ उनको समाज में समानता का अधिकार मिले, स्वतंत्रता उनकी सुरक्षित रहे, लोग बराबरी का व्यवहार चाहते हैं. तो इस तरह से इनकम के साथ साथ दे सीक अदर थिंग्स which are also very, very important. In fact, some cases these may be important than income or more. Consumption material goods are not now coming to the money. money, it is one of the important thing for us, and by using money we can buy many things for us. But in some cases you will find that there are certain other things which are also very, very important. Just I have discussed about the freedom, security, equality. Those things are also very, very important. So children, mind it, money, it is important, but other things are also very important. And quality of life, it depends not only money but other things. So a person wants to live a good life, he wants money, but he wants something extra which gives a quality life. तो बच्चों ये समझना ज़रूरी है कि मनी मतलब रुपया पैसा ज़रूरी है, लेकिन रुपया पैसा के साथ साथ हमको वो चीज़ें भी चाहिए जिससे हमारा जीवन बेहतर हो सके और हम अच्छा जीवन जी सके। सो इसको अच्छी तरह से समझना है कि मनी और बेहतर जीवन दोनों ज़रूरी है, इसलिए व्यक्ति दोनों के लिए प्रयत्न करता है। This we can understand by an example. Suppose you get a job in a far off place and you are getting more income, but before going to that job you will think for other things also, that job security, facilities, treatment, working atmosphere, freedom, everything, and your family support and family life. Sometimes people leave their houses for income but they return to their houses. लोग अगर कोई काम करते हैं या कहीं बाहर जाना चाहते हैं तो वो सोचते हैं कि बाहर जाने से उनको ज़्यादा पैसा तो मिल रहा है, लेकिन जो बाकी चीज़ें उनको शायद नहीं मिले। तो इसलिए कभी कभी अधिक पैसा अगर दूसरे जगह पर मिल रहा है तो वहाँ वो नहीं जाएंगे, बल्कि अपने घर के आसपास जहाँ उनको अपने परिवार के साथ रहना है तो वहीं पर वो रहेंगे, और थोड़ा कम भी मिल रहा है तो उसमें गुजारा करेंगे। सो फॉर डेवलपमेंट पीपुल लुक एट ए मिक्स गोल। मिक्स मीन्स ओके, इनकम इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बट other things are also very, very important. So people will need all those things which are important for the quality life. Okay? अब हम अगर महिलाओं की बात करें, अगर उनको काम मिलता है कहीं पर तो उनकी समाज में इज्जत भी बढ़ती है, और the dignity of the work it also increases. So, but they need a safe and secure environment, especially for the women. Safe and secured environment, it is very important. So, I think you might have understood that different people look at a mixed goal because income is important, it is essential, but other things are also very important. तो हम समझ चुके हैं कि आमदनी बढ़नी चाहिए, आय होनी चाहिए, लेकिन साथ साथ दूसरी ज़रूरतों को भी ध्यान रखा जाना चाहिए, तभी हमारे जीवन में हमारा जीवन बेहतर होगा।